my people, this is Dr. Zoe in the village, my village house. Yeah, I follow get to. I say, I go say, I tell you, I'm not build house for village. I get still on my own. This is my own house in the village with a standby generator, as you can see there. This is car, brand new Caterpillar, and there. Modest house, no too much arrangement, no too much arrangement. You see inside of the house, modest 5-bedroom upstairs, 2-bedroom on the main floor, and you get basement, we get sitting room. For village, or if I talk now, say, Dr. also say, and they no good do house for Igbo land. Me, I get for Igbo land, as I say, a modest 8-bedroom house. My house here in Umuji, my village, is better than my house in Canada. So if they talk I could be on my own, don't reach far day before you. Let me the talk, let me the runner. Maybe from the whole village, no day here, because I don't come get the kind of money to buy rice for the whole village. But the small will get with a chopper, they're happy to see me. I'm happy to see them. This is $2 million one of Umuji. If you like, make you not like her. If you want, make you not build your own. But you know, I tell you, say, I could build a modest one, and I'm happy with the one I got. I'm absolutely happy. See the rooms everywhere clean. Now 4 years ago, when I come here last, I'm so happy to come here. My people are so happy for me to come back home. I'm so talker. You see house, as you can know, say, in my house, you will see my wife for work, you will see my kids for work. Anyway, so they see my wife the next one. That's what it be. Doctor, so they here, see, next year, my wife, that's what it be. And my house, and my village mansion, as small as it is, I'm so happy with it. So guys, there is something it does to you as an Igbo man. Say it gets where you from. Say it get house where you from. I just say that one where they build 20 houses inside village, too much. Just build them something modest. As it be, you come back here. As I come back now, chill. Everybody they chop up there and around. All my staff, everybody they here. See? Now so talk more. Now so talk. Happy New Year, everyone. Village mansion into Afolo Geta. Okay. I'm gonna take an easy. Till next time. Dr. Zo. Okay.